from struggle to strength. Your journey starts today. Each morning, as the sun rises, the world whispers a simple truth. Today is yours. It doesn't matter where you've been or how difficult your journey has been so far. What matters is the step you choose to take right now. This isn't just another day. It's the start of something extraordinary. Struggle. It's a word that often carries weight, pain, and resistance. Yet it's something we all experience. Struggle doesn't discriminate. It visits everyone, from the weary worker to the ambitious dreamer, from the quiet introvert to the bold leader. There are days when the world feels like it's closing in, days when every step feels heavier than the last, when the dreams you hold close seem too far to reach. But let me remind you of this. Struggle is not your enemy. Struggle is proof that you're trying, that you're fighting, that you care enough to chase something greater. Think back on your life. How many times have you faced challenges you thought you couldn't overcome? Yet here you are, breathing, standing, ready to try again. Your past struggles didn't break you, they shaped you. Every great journey begins with a single decision, the decision to move forward. Not because it's easy, but because it's worth it. Struggle is temporary, but the strength it forges is lasting. Don't underestimate the power of small steps. Each step forward, no matter how small, builds momentum. One decision leads to another, and before you know it, you're no longer just surviving, you're thriving. You don't have to do it alone. Find your support system, those who believe in you when you forget to believe in yourself. Lean on them. Let them remind you of your strength when the climb feels too steep. Strength isn't just physical, it's mental, emotional. It's waking up every day and choosing to keep going. It's falling and finding the courage to rise. It's believing in your potential, even when the world feels like it's against you. Resilience is built in the moments when you feel like giving up but choose not to. It's in every no you turn into a not yet. Every obstacle you transform into an opportunity. Every failure you use as fuel to move forward. Your strength doesn't just impact you, it inspires others. When you rise, you give those around you permission to rise too. Your story becomes a beacon of hope, a reminder that struggle is part of the journey, but it's not the end. Remember, no one's journey is the same, but the lessons we learn from our struggles connect us. They remind us that we're all capable of extraordinary things. This is your moment. Your struggles have brought you here, and your strength will take you further. Don't wait for the perfect time. There's no such thing. Start where you are with what you have. Start today. The journey won't always be easy, but it will always be worth it. Believe in yourself. Embrace the struggle. Own your strength. And know this: you are capable of more than you can imagine. The first step is yours to take. Your journey starts now. Every sunrise brings with it the promise of a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to rewrite your story. But for many of us, the weight of yesterday's struggles can feel overwhelming, like a mountain too steep to climb. We all face struggles. Some are visible, like the pressure of expectations or the fear of failure. Others are silent battles, doubts, fears, and insecurities that no one else sees. But what if I told you that struggle isn't your enemy? It's your greatest teacher. The moments that test you the most are the ones that hold the keys to your growth. Your strength isn't in the absence of challenges, but in your ability to face them, rise, and push forward. Today is not just another day. Today is your day. The day you decide that your past struggles will no longer define you, but refine you. Every great story has its struggle. Every champion has faced defeat. Every masterpiece began with a blank canvas and countless mistakes. Your struggles are the stepping stones to something greater. Take a moment to reflect. What have your challenges taught you? Have they made you more patient, more determined, more compassionate? There's strength in simply enduring, and even greater strength in rising. The journey from struggle to strength isn't easy, but it is possible. And it begins with one decision: the decision to keep moving. You don't have to have it all figured out. Just take the next step, then the next, and the one after that. You might stumble, you might feel like quitting. But remember, progress isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal.